At the edge of the Caribbean, where land and sea tell stories of resilience and rebirth, a global gathering begins. A moment where indigenous and African diasporan peoples unite. For the future we are ready to build.
In November 2026, Belize City will host the Green Diasporan Forum, an international convening of stakeholders, innovators, business and professionals.
Together, we will explore the intersections of climate justice, education, economic opportunities and cultural diversity. This conference is a call to convene, to strategize, organize and build across oceans and generations. Conducted by Uplift Institute and EduRecon, the forum will feature workshops, cultural exchange and collaborative presentations. Belize offers a unique geographic canvas to drive innovation and sustainability throughout the Caribbean.
Belize embodies the crossroads of Africa, the Caribbean and the Americas. A nation leading in climate resilience and adaptation, charting a course for the future, rooted in our land, guided by our ancestors, and fueled by our people.
Join us in November 2026 in Belize City for the Green Diasporan Forum. Stay tuned to our social media for updates on registration. Or email us at info@upliftinstitute.org for details.